Here I'm training clam. I'm gonna fucking post it. Am I still gonna post it on YouTube? Real. The teacher leaves us to practice.
Stop recording.
I'm gonna post it on YouTube. Training. After training, I'm going home with Mikliang, Ti Kim Liang, because my mom isn't gonna pick me up. Bruh. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. What happened? Oh! Mẹ! Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. À đây kia. Thư bài pha này. So now the teacher is printing the paper. Huh? I'm literally only gonna record you. Bro, I know, it was like almost at the end. Slide 10. I'm like, bro, what? I wanna sell, I want to. Not this, my just account, but this thing is scared. I'm scared, okay, I'm gonna record this instead. After training, I'm gonna be okay. About this kid's birthday. Wait. Me and Claire went up there and talked. I was speaking too little. So y'all, I won't be recording a lot in my training because I don't have time and I have to like go each time the performers are done performing. Yo, so we have clams. I'm gonna zoom in on your face. I'm zooming on your face. Oh my god. I can see my face in my phone.
No, my camera is bad. Pictures. So we're in the teacher office.
Yeah.
What time is it? What time is it?
How I do not know. Very time. ให้กินบนกะลัง maybe บนกะลัง
Yeah. Oh, it's the clock.
I do not know.
Isn't right.
We forgot to record us practicing. Yeah. I think I have to put like feed and then your channel name. Feed Klang Lipong.
What do you mean?
That's what all YouTubers do, you dumbass. Now we're going to eat the school's the school's lunch. Yeah.
Yeah, but
And banana rice. Oh my god.
The clips at the cafeteria, I would use the clips that are at the cafeteria because the cafeteria is like on the second floor and the hall room is on the fourth floor, so you can hear the song from the hall room. Yeah. Since I've been an MC, I will tell some of you guys some tips on how to be a better MC. No, it's just my first time, but okay, so first you have to speak really clearly. I didn't speak really clearly, but it's better if you speak clearly and loudly. And if you're speaking to your microphone, like you're holding your microphone close to your mouth, but you can only like lose like the tick as a loser. យើងអាចយកដៃនោះមកកដោបមីក្រូហ្នឹងហើយយើងនិយាយមកយើងលឺអាហ្នឹងសម្រាប់អ្នកដែលចាស់ control សលេងខ្លួនឯង
I'm done. I look like a grandma and body thing. Hello, mùi hoa châu YouTube. What? Hoa châu YouTube. I'm gonna censor that out. Oh, wait. My YouTube is not pet friendly, so I don't give a fuck.
At this point, me and Kim Lang were testing the microphone to get ready to speak to the crowd, even though we were literally shaking. Our legs were shaking so badly, especially me, because I was so nervous, and I had never been nervous like this before, like so nervous that I started to get goosebumps when I was talking. And also I'm shaking maybe because this is my first time and I'm really scared.
the best performance. Best one.
Yeah.
I love it so much.
This is number one. Most best performance. This is the one this last year.
Does it fall out there?
ទៅមានបងបងឯងបើកឲ្យត្រង់ទៅក្រែងឯងជាអ្នកស៊ីឈ្មោះគេទេឬខ្ញុំជាអ្នកស៊ីឈ្មោះគេមែនតែខ្ញុំមិនបានស៊ីឈ្មោះលោកប្រឡាំងឯងទេណាទៅចាច់នេះនៅពេលនេះគឺគ្មានប្រយោជន៍អ្វីឡើយព្រាមនោះមានក្រុមចៅចេញមកខ្លាំងចៅចិនបានតតាំងជាមួយចៅយ៉ាងខ្លាំងណាស់រហូតជួយឲ្យម្ចាស់មានសុវត្ថិភាពប៉ុន្តែគេត្រូវរកូនធ្វើឲ្យសន្លប់ដោយមានការឆ្លងច្រើនពីលោកក្នុងរតនសម្បត្តិការខិតខំព្យាបាលជំងឺពីគ្រូពេទ្យនិងយកទឹកកប្រាក់ថែទាំពីគុណរីតែខ្ញុំក៏បានជាសះស្បើយឡើងវិញពេលថ្ងៃមួយលោកបាឡាស្រុកសបាយបាននាំថាការក្តីឈ្មោះហានដើម្បីសុំទឹកថ្មពីលោកគ្រូរតនសម្បត្តិដោយពួកគេហៅគ្នាទៅធ្វើត្បូងនៅកន្លែងជីកត្បូងក៏ទៅឲ្យគុណរីនៅតែតែពីអ្នកជាមួយលោកបាឡាស្រុក
Yes, my hand.
លោកអាណាតែលោកមានអីក្រៅពីខ្ញុំមែនទេបានជាលោកសំឡេងទៅកាន់ខ្ញុំមកដាក់ភ្នែកឆាប់និយាយមកកូនខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់កូនប៉ុន្តែសម្ដីរបស់ខ្ញុំនេះពិបាកស្ដាប់មែនទេទើបកូនចង់ចិញ្ចាមបែបនេះម៉ែហើយខ្ញុំមានអ្វីត្រូវទៅជួយលោកទេព្រោះអីខ្ញុំមិនមានចិត្តទៅលើលោកទេកូនមិនអសូរចិត្តខ្ញុំបន្តិចសោះកូនម៉ែលោកបាឡាកុំបានគាត់ខ្ញុំកូនមានអ្នកស្រឡាញ់មែនទេទើបកូនចង់ចិញ្ចាមបែបនេះប្រហែលជាអកម្មករហើយមើលលោកបាឡាជាកូនចៅផងកូន
Cái này để vậy làm xong nào lại để chạy chật là à so. Có chạy cho nên người đi mong đâu.
เอาគ្នាលើ
ចិត្តដោយសារកូនសម្បត្តិឯងយើងនឹងឲ្យឯងធ្វើការងារកម្មករហើយឲ្យឯងខ្លាចជាអ្នកចែកបញ្ជីទៅវិញចាពីមុនខ្ញុំយល់ផងណាលោកតែការបាត់ទៅលោកជាមនុស្សស្មោះត្រង់មិនមានតម្លៃបំផុតយើងយល់ចិត្តពីអ្នកឯងយើងនឹងរៀបចំសង្គមពីអ្នកឯងឲ្យខ្លាចជាភេទជាស្មារតីនឹងយើងនឹងចែកប្រកបបាត់ឲ្យពីអ្នកឯងនៅឲ្យបានប្រសើរ អរគុណលោកខ្ញុំនឹងថែរក្សាកន្លែងនេះឲ្យល្អបំផុត
dùng để ngó máy tàn xong rồi đây là bóp tay gần này để mang lên trong biết được phim rồi đừng biết tàu không phim ở thôi xong về tán có một cơ cái giọng nào xong để ta phim phim ngắn nó còn nón về đồng nào ca nên em bị xì đừng xong về ta có xong đấy tôi được sao là bao được mẹ đừng bay còn ai biết xong đây được hàng.
Respectful greetings to all teachers, parents, guardians, and students present here. To ensure the smooth operation of this program, we kindly ask all teachers, students, and distinguished guests to settle into your designated seats, neatly and orderly. And please refrain from moving chairs back and forth. Please remain quiet during the proceedings and turn off or silence your mobile phones. Advisor to the Ministry of Labor and Vocational Training has graciously honored us with his presence to directly hand over certificate and appreciation award today. I respectfully invite our head of the football line to address the assembly. Please welcome.
On this part, I have to mute it because I'm scared I'm gonna get copyright because they're putting the graduation song.